In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a rotate effect in Canva. This simple motion can make icons, logos, and small graphics feel more dynamic. And it only takes a few clicks. Let's walk through it together so you can apply it confidently in your next design. First, open any design in Canva. It could be a social post, a presentation slide, or even a video project. You don't need a special template for this. The rotate effect works on most elements you've already added to your canvas. Next, select the element you want to spin. This might be a sticker, an illustration, a shape, or a text box. Make sure the element is highlighted with a bounding box so Canva knows which item you want to animate. If you change your mind later, you can always select a different element and repeat the same steps. With your element selected, click Animate on the top toolbar. This button appears when an element is active, and it opens a panel with animation options. You'll see different categories, but for a spin, we're focusing on motion-based effects for the element itself, rather than page transitions. Look for the Motion Effects section, then scroll to the bottom under Add-on Effects and select Rotate. As soon as you choose Rotate, you'll see your element start spinning in the editor preview. This is a great moment to check that the movement suits your design and doesn't distract from your main message. From here, you can adjust the speed to control how fast the element turns. A slower speed tends to feel smooth and subtle, which is ideal for professional layouts or background embellishments. A faster speed is more playful and attention-grabbing. Great for highlighting a callout or a button. Then choose the direction. Clockwise for a forward, traditional spin, or counterclockwise for a reverse motion. Direction can subtly change the feel of the design, so pick the one that complements your layout and any other movement on the page. As a quick tip, keep the rotating element relatively small or off to the side if your goal is to enhance rather than overpower the content. If you are layering multiple elements, try limiting rotation to 1 or 2 items, so the overall look stays clean and intentional. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.